It's Crypto Lovers Trading Group. A little bit before 9 a.m. We're talking Altcoin Tuesday. Altcoin Tuesday. Altcoins have been on fire here for the last 24 hours. Obviously, now you know. If you watch any of the earlier videos this morning, what's happening now, we're getting some red, we're getting some selling, and we should get some selling because the tokens have gotten ahead of themselves. Okay? And you just have to realize that. Okay? But we're looking at the correlated trade between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. We all know Bitcoin went on a run to 44,000 and it has sold back down a little bit. Okay? What happened to the correlated asset Bitcoin Cash, a hard fork of Bitcoin, okay, during the same time frame, last 24 to 48 hours? Okay, what did we see? Okay, remember, I am a big proponent of correlated trading. I believe correlated trading is going to be the fastest growing trading strategy going forward in the next 2 years in crypto because it works. That's why. And you can get in trades with more tokens in your trade with less money than you can trading Bitcoin. Okay? And you get the same price action movement that you get in Bitcoin, but in its forks, right? So Bitcoin Cash had its run. 276 was the entry point. Down here, February 3rd, February 4th, right there, as we challenged back then, as we challenged right here, that 280 level, okay? And 278 on the 7-day. See these lines right here? It's your 7 and 21-day moving average. Wrote it all the way back down. I know some mates took profit here at 321. Nothing wrong with that. Take profit at your own comfort, mates. Your own comfort. When you begin to feel uncomfortable about an entry, you need to take action. Okay? It's all about where you feel comfortable. There's no right or wrong. If you're taking a trade in profit, it's a winning trade. Move on. Okay? Learn something from the trade. Okay? Here, it fell below the moving average, okay? And so I could understand why people went ahead and took profit. Nothing wrong with that. But then it rode it and it came back above, okay? It never went, okay, to its 21-day, okay? It never fell to its, but it is now up here with this wick. So it puts the 21-day moving average, which right now is 327. It puts that in jeopardy. And that's going to be your short entry if that breaks. If you're not short already, if you're not in a straddle trade already, that's when you have both a buy up and a sell down simultaneously. You could have done that here on the break of the 7-day, okay? But let's just go back and just review from the call entry made. If you follow on Twitter at CryptoBallersX, I try to post as many calls based on our methods, Twitter, for people to see. Like, hey, boom. And then we come back to it. Look what the trade did. Up or down. Just be honest about it. Bad call, great call, good call, right? They're all over the place, right? Because the market's volatile. But here, taking the exit at 350, some people would say, but we were still above the 7 and 21-day moving averages. Why did you call for an exit? It actually went higher. It actually went to 352, 353. Well, this is why, mates. It got to an 85 level RSI. Okay, you can try and play that game where you want to time everything, tops and bottoms. It rarely works out. And if you're good at calling tops and bottoms, well done you. Okay, I'll buy you a beer sometime down at the pub. But I just don't play that game. You get to an RSI level of 85, exactly what I said. Look what happened right after we hit that 85. Boom, straight down. Look what happened the last time we got above 80. Boom. Okay? So it's all probabilities. And so you want to work the probabilities into your favor. It doesn't matter to me that it went 354. Okay? I'm out of the trade. You're out of the trade. Why are you worried about it? Move on to the next trade. Look for the next entry. And you can do this in the same asset. I tell mates, pick like 4 or 5 assets that you want to follow and you want to trade on a weekly basis and just trade those. Don't chase the market, okay? Bitcoin Cash has offered at least a half a dozen trading opportunities in the last 3 days, okay? That's learn certain tokens and how they behave, and that's what's going to reward you the most, looking for the correlated assets to Bitcoin.